Some families go ahead and pre-cut their casings and pre-tie them all, but this is the method I prefer.
We have fried bananas with bananas that we dip in the butter with the sesame seed and coconut, shredded coconuts, and we fry it. And then also the shrimp toast with the shrimp.
Ça c'est bon, chef.
Get bigger. Girls want to bring here. Come on in and come on by. Give it a try. Give it a try. Free samples.
I gotta take it to my baby and to my wife. I can't take the big bite yet.